Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV One, and today I thought we'd do something a little fun because we cannot go shopping in the parks right now. I am missing my shopping and showing you guys the merch. I thought I would order a few things off of Shop Disney and open them for you and show you what I get. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. All right. So what I ordered on Shop Disney was a few Wishables, because I don't know if you've seen me buy them before, but Wishables are one of my new favorite things that Disney came out with. I have quite a few here on my shelf, but they came out with the snack series, Parks Food Series 2. So I have some of the snacks from the series 1, which I can show you back here in a minute. So I got 2 bags of those here. So I'm going to see what those are. I also have a bag of the Space Mountain series Wishables. So we'll see what we get here. And then I've started collecting pens recently, so I thought it would be fun to do a little, you know, pen unbagging or revealing or whatever you want to call it. So found these on Shop Disney as well. So, all right, well, before we start, I will show you, I do have one of the Wishables from this series and one of the Wishables from this series. So let me show you those real quick. Okay, so just kidding. I have 2 from the new Park Series one, Park Food one, but I only have one of the Space Mountain. So I have the cute little Space Mountain itself, really cool. Love his cute little smile there. And I don't know if you were watching that live stream, but I said he looked like an onion. He really does. He's super cute. Super soft. I love the Wishables, how soft they are. So yeah, I had got him in the parks. It goes around Christmas or something like that. But anyway, so for the Parks Food Series 2, so these are the ones in the mystery bag. So you can either get the cotton candy, the turkey leg, churros, or the popcorn. So I got one of these bags right before the parks closed, and I already opened it just, you know, on my own for fun. And I wanted the popcorn, and I got it. So this one I already had. I already bagged it a while ago, like right before the parks closed. But look at his cute little face. So cute. And then if you can see the popcorn, there's some hidden Mickeys. Well, at least they look like it to me. But also little popcorn kernels in the popcorn. And then I like on the back how they have the design that you can find on the popcorn boxes in the park. And then it says Disney Parks on the side. So yeah, I thought he was super cute. He's really big and squishy. So when, you know, it says to squeeze these to see, you know, to figure out what you have in here. I think I already know what this one is. And so this one was pretty squishy, so it was kind of easy to tell. But I also got this one from the Parks Food Series, the Mickey Waffle. So Mickey Waffles are one of my favorite Disney foods. Love, love, love Mickey Waffles. They're delicious and they're super cute. So I had to get him. So yeah, here's the front side. And then the back side. So I like how they have 2 faces for Mickey there. But this one was the one that you could, and like the onion, they're not in the mystery pack. So they have a mystery pack, and then they have some that are just out, like an open edition or whatever you want to call it. So you can see them so you know which one you're going to get. They are the same price, I'm pretty sure. The mystery bag and the ones that you can see, the non-mystery ones. So there you go. So again, these were the 2 that I got. Hopefully I didn't get another popcorn in one of these bags, but we'll find out. So let me lay these over here. And then we have the Space Mountain Wishable here. So cute. And so let me show you on the back of this one which one we can get. So they have the ride vehicle, which is pretty cool. Space Minnie and Mickey there. Mickey looks angry. And then a space dog. Which I don't really remember on the ride, but maybe he's there somewhere. I'd have to, yeah, robot dog. Sorry, robot dog. Or is that the one from the exit, when you exit the park? I'm not sure. Or exit the ride, sorry, not the park. So anyways, I'm excited to see what are in these bags. But before we open them, I also want to show you my pin pack. So I picked a mystery pin pack. I have no idea what are in here. There are, let's see, 5 randomly selected pens in here. So, so this one. Collection of 16 designs. And let me see if I can pull this over so you can see some of the options that we might get. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Tinkerbell, there's Winnie the Pooh, Alice, Mushu, Jiminy Cricket, Hercules, Tigger, Peter Pan, Mike Wazowski, Chip and Dale, I hope I get one of those, Simba, and Dopey. I love Dopey too. So, so these were $30 for the pin pack, but you do get 5, so that's pretty good, I think. And these, I believe, were $9.99. Now in the parks, I can use my 20% off discount. Of course, on Shop Disney, I cannot, so I did not get my 20% annual pass discount. But that's okay. They were offering free shipping, so that was pretty cool. I usually try to wait and see, order things on there when they do have free shipping. So, all right. Let's start out with our Space Mountain Wishable. What do you guys think? So I'm going to try to peel. Let's see if I can figure it out. Feels like it has little legs, so I think it might be Minnie or Mickey. I'm guessing Minnie and Mickey, but I can't tell which one. And if you guys watched our Hollywood Studios vlog that we did right before the parks closed, with my good friend Maria and Chris, we did wishable unbaggings on there as well, and they were for the Runaway Railway, and you gotta go back and watch it because Daisy, she made a lot of appearances. So you can think you know what are in these, but sometimes you don't. So I'm guessing it's Minnie and Mickey, like I said, because I kind of feel legs. Oh, you know what? I think it might be the robot dog. Oh, I don't even know. The feet are big, and if you're gonna look on the back, the feet of the Robo Dog are bigger than Minnie and Mickey's feet there. So, alright, I think I'm gonna go with Robo Dog. Let's see what we get. Let's open it up. I'm excited. I was completely wrong. Totally wrong, but I'm excited for this one. So it's gonna go well with my little Space Mountain guy here. So I have the Space Mountain ride vehicle. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. All right, let me put this out of the way. That's awesome. Oh, look at his little face. So cute. That's one thing I love about these. They're so cute. Their little faces, his little grin. He has stars in his eyes, you know, because he's going into space. They have the handlebar right here, which is really cool. You can see that. There's the vehicle. Now this is a 2-seater one, so this is not Disney World. This would be, well, at least it looks like a 2-seater. This would be Disneyland, if it is a 2-seater. But anyways, I'm not quite sure. But the 2 things I thought were legs were these little blasters on the back. So I thought those were little feet. That's too cute. Oh, and it was squishy, so I was like, oh, it's big. And I thought maybe it would be the vehicle, but I thought I felt feet. So again, you have no idea what you're getting sometimes. But yeah, we spent forever trying to find this, oh, I don't have it over here, but my Figment, the topiary from Flower and Garden. We spent a long time trying to find that little guy. But anyways, yay, I'm excited for him. So he will go great. Look, he's bigger than the whole Space Mountain itself. That's awesome. I love it. All right, so let's take a break from the Wishables and now do pens. So we'll come back to my park food series, but let's do the pens now. I'm excited for these. Like I said, I just started collecting pens. I have, you know, a handful, maybe like 20 to 30, something like that. So not a lot. I know a lot of people have a ton of pens. So, all right, let's open this up. I'm excited. Let's see. All right, so I had to go cut them open, but all right, so here we go. Let's see which ones we have. I'm so excited. All right, which one? Ah, it's so cute. All right, we have Mike Wazowski. Let's see if I can show it to you. focus. There we go. How cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love Mike Wazowski. I love how Boo says Mike Wazowski. I didn't say it right, but anyways, he is adorable. All right, so the first pin I love. I'm excited. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Pull this one out. Ah, Mushu. That's awesome. Dale and I just watched Mulan the other day. Love that little Mushu. He's so cute. That's awesome. And the new live action Mulan will be coming out sometime. We're not sure when, but anyways. Love little Mushu. He's so cute. And let's see what else we have in here. So we have 3 more pens to go. Oh, it's Alice. Oh, she's adorable. Check her out. So cute. I love these. All right, 2 more to go. Ah, we have Chip. That's awesome. We got Chip. I hope Dale's in there too. But if not, at least we got Chip. Oh, look how cute he is. He's so cute. I love it. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so 1 more pen. Let's see what it is. I don't think it's Dale. Definitely not Dale. Oh, it's Mickey. Yay. I love Mickey. Everybody loves Mickey. There he is. Oh, he's so cute. I love it. That's awesome. All right, so we got Mickey, Chip, Alice, Mushu, and Mike Wazowski. That's awesome. I love, oops, as I'm dropping them. Sorry, Mickey. This is cool. So this will be awesome for my pin collection. And I'm getting a pin board together. I'm hoping I'm going to put it back here on my wall somewhere for later when I do, you know, other streams and different things from home. So, okay. All right. So there we go. We have 2 Wishable bags left to open up. Let's see. I think this is the one I think I know what it is. I'm pretty sure this is the turkey leg because I can feel the little end of the turkey leg. I think I can feel that part of it. Let's see if I'm right. Let's open it up. I was wrong! Oh, and I'm so excited. I'm not that I don't want the turkey leg, but I love pink, so I love this cute little cotton candy. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So yeah, I felt this little cone here at the bottom and I thought it was the part of the turkey leg. I guess I could see how that would happen, but check out how cute she is. She's super fluffy. Almost looks like a little Chloe toy, actually. I like her, if you guys don't know, Chloe's my dog. But I love her little smile, her little rosy cheeks. This is too cute. I love it. And the little cone there at the bottom. That's awesome. Oh, I love it. All right, cool. All right, so this one. Oh, this. Okay, either we might have got 2 of these. That's the problem with ordering online. You can't feel it. Or this is the turkey leg. You know, I think we got 2. I think we got 2 of these. Well, that's too bad, but that's okay. One can be Chloe's. All right, let's open it up. Ready? Yup. Aw, man, that's too bad. Oh, well. You never know. That's why they're mystery packs. So, yay, we got 2 cotton candies. So, either, yeah, Chloe gets one, maybe Mr. Liam wants one. I don't know, but really cute. So, so I'm going to have to keep trying because I really do want the churros. I was hoping for the churros, actually, but that's okay. We'll keep trying. That's, again, the problem with ordering online. You can't feel the bag. So if we ever get back to Disney, which we will definitely get back there hopefully soonish when everything's safe. I'm going to try to get the churros, but for now, I've got 2 cotton candies and, of course, the little Mickey waffle. So, yeah, that's awesome. I'm excited for, yeah, all I got other than, of course, the 2 duplicates, but that's okay. So also, I did want to show you a few other things that I've ordered online, not at the Disney store. All right, so the first thing I ordered was on our Spreadshirt shop. So spreadshirt.com. The link is always in the description of the videos. I think it's spreadshirt.com/resorttv1, but definitely look below for the link. But I have a t-shirt and I wanted a Resort TV1 tank top because, you know, Florida's hot. So I was getting ready for the summer. So I got a cute little Resort TV1 tank top. I love red. Red is one of my favorite colors too, and it'll go great with a lot of my parrot ears over there. But yeah, so I got this one not too long ago, so I can wear it around the house, of course. But this will be great when the parks open back up. So definitely go check out our Spreadshirt shop. So I ordered that, and I ordered one more thing. So I ordered this off of Amazon. My good friend Donna and Sam, I'd seen some pictures of them doing these and I thought, you know, that looks fun. We are, you know, all in quarantine right now, supposed to be staying inside of our houses, which Dale and I definitely are. So I've been doing puzzles, but also they've been doing diamond art painting or diamond painting, I forget what it's called. And it looked like a lot of fun. And, you know, now that we have time on our hands, since we're home, I ordered some off of Amazon. Now, they're hard to find, but I did find these. I don't know if you're going to be able to see with the glare. But it's a little, there's 2 stitch pictures. And here's the other one. Hopefully you can see these. So they look like they're pretty big, so they're going to take a while to do, but I'm excited for that. I always liked paint by number, color by number, and I don't know if this is similar to that, but Donna and Sam love it, so I can't wait to give it a try. So again, I ordered these on Amazon, and of course the shirt from our Spreadshirt shop, link in the description. And my Disney stuff I got off of ShopDisney. So yay, alright guys, that was fun. We'll definitely do this again, not that often, because, you know, it does cost money and everything, but I thought this would be fun instead of going to the stores, because we cannot right now. So shopping with Jenna at home. And sometime I will show off all of my Wishables, because I've got quite a few here. There's more down below here, and then some I have out in the living room right now as well. So I'll do a video with that. If there's any other suggestions you guys have, if you hear the little scratching, that's Chloe. She's wanting out. I'll have to let her out here in a minute. But yeah, any other suggestions you guys might have for videos, let me know. I can definitely show you more of my collection that I have here in my bookcase. I have my lounge fly bag collection. I want to do a video. So yeah, I have some ideas, but if you guys have some, leave them in the comments below. Alright guys, well let me know what was your favorite thing I got today. Was it one of the Wishables? Was it one of the pens? My shirt? It could be the diamond art painting. Just let me know in the comments down below what your favorite was. I'm trying to think. I think maybe, probably this little guy. So cute. But the pens are really cool as well. I'm glad I got Chip. Wish I would have got Dale, but that's okay. I have Dale on another pen. So there we go. I'll put them next to each other, even though they're not the same series. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.